Yo, guys out there. I'm just taking a break from this stuff while I'm sanding the bay down with the 350 grit. I went ahead and primer all the welds in the seam sealer, as you can tell. And then after I'm done with this primer and it's gonna dry, probably gonna give it a day to dry. I'm gonna use the undercoat, not the undercoat, the seam sealer 3M, which I have right here. Which, by the way, the primer that I use for this is this right here. My GoPro is keep acting up, keep deleting videos for some reason, or it's not. But I use this high build primer gray. And oh my goodness, my garage has got like an inch of Bondo everywhere. Like, I need to do a major cleanup up in here. And then we got this 3M up in here, the seam sealer. That's what's gonna go on next. After that is done, we're gonna go with the 3M. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the seam sealer tomorrow after that's dry, and then I'm gonna primer the car. Once the car is primer, I'm also gonna use some primer in here as well. And after I'm done with the primer here over the seam sealer, after the car is painted and everything, then I'm gonna use the undercoat. So undercoat is gonna be nice and done and clean, all black. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably use the undercoat like up to like right here. Maybe just leave it black. I don't know. The more stuff you add, the more primer you have, the better it is to absorb moisture and stuff like that. But I'm going to paint underneath in there. I'm gonna paint underneath here, but no, not right here. It's gonna be a street driven car, so I don't care about having any red paint because it will chip off with as you drive in the car. So I went ahead and touch up some more of the engine bay with Bondo, and I'm gonna go ahead and just let's see if it's dry. There you go, it's dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, smooth it up, and get it ready for primer. After I'm done with this Bondo stuff, I'm gonna start cleaning up all this mess up in here. So it is definitely cold today. It's like 38 degrees. I just been spraying in here and I just wanted to get it done. But yeah, I mean, look at the mess. Somebody must have rolled Vasile on my bike. Look at that. Game over. But yeah, my garage is a mess. I mean, literally a mess. Probably gonna take me like a day to clean this up. And after I get everything off the floor, I'm gonna go ahead and bust the hose up in here, and I'm gonna hose all of it down. I'm gonna have a clean floor, clean ceiling, clean walls. So when I paint this thing, this is gonna be like ready. No dust, none of that. So yeah, buddy. Okay guys, so here it is. Got that 3M. Pretty much whatever I welded, and there's cracks, which I'm going to put some more. But you're kind of looking at it. You're just gonna take it and spread it and all the cracks. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go on the back side. You can tell I went up in there. So in the water doesn't really. Now you gotta keep in mind, I'm gonna primer over this again tomorrow when I primer the car, and I'm gonna use also a undercoat. So it's gonna be kind of this stuff right here as well. So yeah, buddy, just working on it, trying to get it done.